Hi all of you, back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you that what are the positions, what are some position in CSS. So let me just make a new file, and my file name would be uh, hashtag 14 and dot html. Now it is my 14th video, so that's why I've written here 14. So now let's insert my boilerplate first. Now the title of for today is position. Okay, so now let me make a div tag, div dot which class should I give? P-box. P-box means parent box. Okay, in this P-box I will give another div tag dot uh, which class should I give? Box. And box, now I have to give id also, which will be box same. Okay, now uh, let me do again. So I have to give 4 or 5 times. Let me give div dot box. Let me make 3 box, hashtag uh, box into 3. I think this is good. So this is my box 1, this is my box 2, this is my box 3, because it is id. As you all know, it is always unique. So let me save and add some css first. Basic css, like I want to, let me just give css to dot box. Okay, in this I will give border 3px solid black. And I think this is good. Let me see. So let me see. So now as you can see that uh, my boxes, I haven't give any like height or something. Let me give height. Okay, height should be, I think, 100 px. Okay, and width should be again 100 px. Let me check now. So now you can see that my boxes are placed here. HTML in web development, in Android, anything, always start when you write something, this is always starts from left corner, left top left corner. Okay, so let me add some padding to this. uh, Padding. Okay, padding I should give I think 1 px, and for x-axis I should give 4 px. Okay, let me do this. So let me give margin also, margin as well, margin which, so let me give 5 px margin. Okay, so now you can see the gap is maintained between these boxes. So first let me what should I do now? uh, Let me make display inline block first. Display where is inline block? Okay, now let me do something. So now you can see that my boxes are now placed here. So I just want to show you what is the concept of position. So to show that, first let me give height to my uh, p box also, dot p box. Okay, let me give height, which height should be, I think, uh, let me give 2000 px. Okay, which is a very high number. So now nothing will happen because it is my p box, you can't see that. Let me give border so you can see that also. Border or okay, I think 5 px 5 px solid. uh, which color should I choose? I should choose aqua. Let me write again. So this is your aqua. So if I, so you can see this is my p box, which means parent box. So its height is, now you can see that this much. It is a high number, very high number. So now the position, I will show you what is position. Okay, so let me target individual box like box 1. uh, I will target by using hashtag box 1. Okay, now uh, now let me write position. There are 3-4 types of position. Let me show you. This is a static. Static means the default position. You can see the position which is right here, this is static position, this is known as static position. So this is default position. So we don't have to learn anything in that. We have to learn in, like I will show you, there is fixed relative. So let me show you first the relative and what, how relative works. First let me save it. If I do refresh, then nothing is happening because I want to give like I want from top like 10, not 10, 50 pixel. Okay, 50 pixel. And from left I want 300 pixel. I will show you what is this 300. So let me do refresh now, and you can see that my I which box I taken. So yeah, my first box is moved here. Okay, so now if I inspect it, so you can also make it like this. Okay, because it is going left. Okay, so this is relative. You can place your element by doing this. Also you can go like this from top. um, I just want to show you that this is your position absolute. Okay, sorry, position relative. I will show you now. First let me give something like from top, let me give 100 px. Okay, and from left I should also give any number like 150 px, or let me just do 100 px. So now if I refresh this, so as you can see that the uh, absolute position is this. So I can also configure by Google Dev Tools. Let me just inspect it. Okay, so if I give like this, so here also you can uh, change the place by adding this like left, also from top as well. If I do now here top. Okay, so now you can see, you can just remember that the main work of position tag is to change place, or you can configure place by yourself. Okay, you can, where you want to configure you can configure. So now the main thing is, first let me show you what fixed tag does. So fixed tag is very beautiful tag. So let me just write here fixed. Okay, fixed. So now you can see that, just watch on these both box. I think these box will, when I do this, so now you can see that this box are disappearing. Okay, But if I do this, so now I just want to show you that I have given a position fixed, and I have removed top and left. Let me give top as well. I have just removed, but no worries. Now left also 100 px. I think this will be great. So now I have saved this, and you can see my box 3 position is fixed here, but my box 1 position is relative, and my second box also like static position is static. So I just want to show you that so now my box is here, but if I do here, so now you can see that my box is fixed on this page. My these elements are disappearing as I scrolling down, but my this box is fixed. Okay, as I go, now you can see I am going like this. So you can do by adding this also. uh, so I think these are some position properties. Also there is one more which is known as sticky. Okay, sticky properties also do like this. Let me just refresh it first. So now you can see that it works like fixed property. I think you all now can understand now what is the difference between relative and you can say relative, static, absolute, and fixed and sticky. So I think you all now can understand this. Just follow these steps and try by yourself, as I already told you in my previous video as well. Just try by yourself and see how the elements takes changes. Okay, how can you change places of those elements. I think this is pretty much for today, and I think in next video I will be doing a project, so please congratulate me in comment section, and that project will be on only HTML and CSS, all that stuff which I learned, which we have learned so far. So I think that is a great project for you as well to add in your resume. So it will be only on HTML and CSS, and I will be showing you how to make a 50% responsive website, 50 to 60% you can say that, and it will be a great project. So just stay tuned with this channel, and I will be see you in my next video. Bye for now.
ਉਹ ਜੱਟ ਹੱਸਲੇ ਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਖਾਬ ਰੋਜ਼ ਨਵੇਂ ਫੜਦਾ ਏ